Good morning, Tigers. It is Wednesday, May 6, 2020, and it is time for our daily announcements. We will start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Now we will say our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. We do not have any birthdays today. We do have some announcements. Teacher Appreciation Week continues today. Please find a creative way to let your teacher know how much you appreciate his or her support and dedication. Thanks to all of our parents who have stepped into the role of teaching support at home. We appreciate you too, this week and every day. Paper packets for this week can be picked up at school today between 8 and 2 o'clock. Next week, Monday through Friday, May 11th through 15th, you may come to the school at any time between 8 and 2 on any day to pick up your belongings from the classroom. Your teachers have been working hard to gather all of those items up and have them waiting for you at the front entrance to the school. I would also like to do a special shout out to Miss Harrison, our school nurse. Today is Nurses Appreciation Day. Miss Harrison, we thank you for all that you do. We appreciate the care you give us when we're at school, but we also appreciate you being on the front lines during the outbreak of COVID-19 in Pitt County. Thank you again, Miss Harrison. We appreciate you very much. Our positivity project focus for this week is leadership. That means you value each member of your group or team and inspire people to do their best. We will finish today's announcements with our Tiger Pause. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Tigers. We miss you.